To change lock screen right shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. Tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen and then tap biometric lock screen. Scroll down, tap shortcuts. You must turn on shortcut first. Tap switch until on and then tap right shortcut. Turn on right shortcut, tap switch until on and then select shortcut you want. Right shortcut is torch. Let's to try torch. Right shortcut clock. Okay, clock. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.